How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Be There Soon. My name is Chaz. Let's get right into it. So today we're doing a meal prepping video. Yeah, meal prepping. Believe it or not, it's actually a pretty decent side hustle. Not only is this healthy for you as in general, but you can also do this as a business.
And not to mention, you can also use this for door dashing, Ubering. Um, Prep your meals when you're out on the road, so you don't have to spend money on the road. It's pretty common that we spend a lot of money out there. So we are going to use our success rice and all our ingredients. Turn on that beautiful stove and wash those veggies. You want to make sure the veggies are clean. We inserted all 6 rice, some beautiful broccoli to boil. Look at that broccoli. Put a lid on it. Meal prep is the process of planning and preparing your meals in advance. It involves selecting your meals for the week, shopping for ingredients, and preparing your meals either in full or in parts so that they are ready to be cooked and eaten when you need them. First, start off by cooking your rice according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, chop your vegetables. So why is meal prepping so important? Here's a few reasons. 1. Time management. Meal prep saves you time throughout the week by allowing you to batch cook and have meals ready to go. This means less time spent cooking and more time on other activities, such as driving, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. Just get work in general. 2. Also health benefits. When you meal prep, you have control over your ingredients that go into your meals. This means you can have healthier choices and avoid temptations of takeout food. Or should I say takeout processed food. 3. Budget friendly. Meal prep can also save you money by reducing the need for expensive pre-packaged meals or eating out. You can bulk purchase ingredients and make your meals at home for a fraction of the cost. So it's a win-win. And 4, I'm pretty sure there's more other reasons, but these are my 4 reasons. Improve consistency. Consistency is a key when it comes to a healthy eating habit. Meal prep helps you stay on track and ensures that you have a healthy option available, even on busy days. So overall, meal prep is a valuable tool that can help you manage your time, eat healthier, and save money. It may take a little bit of effort up front, but the benefits are worth it. Heat a large pan over a medium-high heat and add a small amount of oil. Once the pan is hot, add your protein and cook until it's fully cooked. Obviously you would have to plan your meals, determine what you will be eating for the week. Make a list of the ingredients that you will need to purchase and then consider any dietary restrictions or preferences you may have. Using your list of ingredients, you go to the store and purchase everything you need for the week, and then from there you prepare your meals. First, you need your garlic salt, garlic powder, black peppercorn. It's a pretty simple task. All you really do is begin washing and chopping up your veggies and then cook any grains or proteins that you will be using throughout the week. Divide your prepared ingredients into individual portions and store them into the refrigerator or freezer, and then pretty much you're good. Just pack your meals from then on. Assemble your meals and into containers and baggies, including protein and grain and vegetables, because you can also pack snacks as well. Fruit snacks, nuts, nutties, for the week, When it's time to eat, just simply grab a pre-prepared meal and reheat it. Or you can just enjoy it cold, however you like it. And of course, it'll save you time and effort throughout the week and help you make healthier choices, basically. Also, don't forget to label your containers with the content and use by date to help you keep track of what you have prepared. We made 3 different recipes. The first one is stir fry with ground beef, super yummy, with broccoli, brown rice, green, yellow, and red peppers. Second one we did was stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey, rice, and some broccoli. Oh, and of course, can't forget Monterey Jack cheese that we added on there. Ooh. Look at that beauty.
I don't know, I don't feel like we need the chicken. I feel like the chicken would be like too much.
Yeah. So.
I'll put these on the side because these cook way fast.
Our third one was more of a veggie stir fry. We just added the green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, the mushrooms, the onions, and of course the snow peas. And just stir fried it up. Also made a special sauce. The sauce consists of soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha. We didn't have brown sugar, so we use pure sugar cane. Added some ground ginger.
It's just...
And started mixing away.
It's not very sweet or anything like that.
It's just sauce.
We also added the ground turkey for this as well. Stirred it right in there. So let's start by looking at the cost of eating out. Even if you eat out once a day for lunch, the cost can add up quickly. For example, if you spend at least an average of $10 per meal on a takeout or eating out, that's $50 per week or $200 per month over the course of a year. That adds significant amount of money. Now let's compare that to the cost of meal prep. When you meal prep, you have the opportunity to purchase ingredients in bulk, which can save you money. You can also choose cheaper, healthier options such as beans and rice instead of more expensive protein sources. And because you are preparing your meals at home, you can control the portion size and avoid waste. On average, you can expect to save around $20 per week by meal prepping. That's a saving of $80 per month or $960 per year. That's a significant amount of money that you can put towards other expenses or save for the future. So there you have it, folks. So not only is meal prep a great way to eat healthier and save money, it can also be a financial game changer. Give it a try and see the difference it can make for yourself. So 3 easy, very easy recipes straight off the back. But I'm just happy to show you guys some little recipes. It's the most easiest recipes in the world anyway. But show you our game plan. Meal prep for yourself. Going out there doing Uber Eats, doing these gig jobs, they will make you hungry. You don't want to spend money on McDonald's or pizza or anything like that. Keep your money. just eat from home. Thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy Chaz. Be there soon.